Hello everyone, welcome back to another auction by Purple Violet on eBay. Everyone got their payments in. Here's our last auction that was up. It was Boston Bruins again. Had 13 bids. $5.93 was the last bid. I want to thank everyone for getting their payments in so quickly. There's the date on there too. Payments came in very good. A lot of repeat buyers, which is nice to see. It's for the 2011-12 Panini Certified. Number NE93898-092. Another nice sealed box. These are really nice boxes. Good hits in them. Good luck to everyone who participated. You guys make sure you check out my other auctions. Got another box up there with some other cards. Empty box. And good luck, we're off now. And first one to the Flames, the Sabres, the Ducks, and a hit. Autograph, Dustin Byfuglien for the Winnipeg Jets. Autograph, Mirror Blue. Number 93 of 99. Decoy, and the Blue Jackets. Hopefully I don't massacre the names too badly. The Lightning, the Bruins, the Kings, Mass Marvels, Andre Fleury for Pittsburgh Penguins. Nice card. Decoy. And the Ducks. Minnesota Wild, the Sabres, the Sidney Crosby for the Penguins. Autograph, Scott Timmins, rookie card for Florida Panthers. And the Capitals. Oh, must be a good one, hard to open. Whoops, here we go. The Oilers, the Flyers, the Capitals, Red Immortals, Daryl Sittler, number 98 of 199, and the Ducks. The Oilers, the Stars, the Sabres, the Kings, and the Wild. See, a couple of those players got traded, that's why they're going to those teams, even though their jersey is showing a different one. The Rangers, the Penguins, the Senators, Immortals, for the Blues, Joe Mullen, number 23 of 25. It's a nice low number card. And the Hurricanes. The Penguins, the Canucks, Winnipeg Jets, the Islanders, Toronto Maple Leafs, Dion Phaneuf. Nice jersey. I believe that's a gold, eh? Yeah, 14 of 25. It's a good one for Toronto. And the Winnipeg Jets. Nashville, the Bruins, the Wild, there's guys, certified champions, New York Islanders, Al Arbour, not numbered, but nice card, different card, and the Bruins. The Flyers, the Sharks, Blackhawks, the Sharks, and the fabric of the game, Patrick Marleau. 37 goals, it said. for San Jose Sharks. Number 22 of 25. Another nice low number card. And Colorado Avalanche. And the last pack in the box. Goes to the Blues, the Coyotes, Colorado Avalanche, the Sharks. Another hit for the Rangers. Brandon Jubinski, nice jersey. 59 of 99, New York Rangers. And the last cards for the Devils. Well, thanks a lot, guys. I'll get these all packaged up for you and sent out right away. Make sure you guys check out my other auctions on eBay, and congratulations to everybody.